Have you ever wondered if there's a magic number of push-ups that will help you build muscle and redefine your strength, especially after the age of 40? Well, let's explore a way to do push-ups that will ensure you see results, and you won't make the common mistakes that many guys do. Stick around until the end because we'll provide a push-up routine designed to help you build muscle, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or a push-up pro. First things first, it's important to understand that doing resistance exercises for the same muscle groups every day, including push-ups, is not the best approach. When you perform exercises like push-ups, squats, or pull-ups, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. Now imagine not giving these muscles enough time to recover. Over time, these micro tears can accumulate and lead to overtraining or even injuries. After your workout, when you're resting or sleeping, your body becomes a repair wizard. It not only fixes those tears, but also takes your muscles to the next level. In the fitness world, we call this process muscular hypertrophy. So let's debunk a myth and delve into the science of muscle growth, all thanks to the humble push-up. First off, let's clarify what muscular hypertrophy is. It doesn't mean you're sprouting new muscle fibers. Instead, think of it as your existing muscle fibers hitting the gym and getting bulkier. They're becoming thicker and taking up more space. Now, how does this magic happen? Enter push-ups. When you master the art of the push-up, you're making your muscles work extra hard. They're contracting dynamically, resisting against your body weight, and enduring tension. These movements, known as concentric and eccentric movements, provide an excellent workout for your triceps, deltoids, and pectorals. Your muscles not only have to move, but also resist gravity. This results in those tiny micro tears we mentioned earlier. But here's where it gets exciting. Your body senses these micro tears and goes into superhero mode. It increases hormone production and directs extra resources to these battle-worn muscles. The end result? Your muscle fibers repair themselves and come back bigger and stronger. Now let's address the misconception that doing push-ups every day equals guaranteed gains. Not quite. The real muscle-building action occurs when you're not working out. After your workout, your body boosts hormone production and initiates the process of muscular protein synthesis. It's like having your body's own repair and upgrade team. But here's the catch. If you're doing push-ups every single day, you're keeping that team constantly busy with repairs, not upgrades. So instead of giving your muscles a chance to grow, you're continually causing damage. In simple terms, more isn't always better. If you want your muscles to grow, give them some downtime, let them heal, and watch the magic happen. Now, let's answer the burning question. How many push-ups should you do to see gains? The answer varies depending on your fitness level. Your push-up game plan should align with where you currently stand on your fitness journey. And remember, constantly doing push-ups every day is counterproductive. Let's avoid that route. For fresh recruits who are new to the push-up party, here's the strategy. Push yourself close to your limit, but not quite. For example, if your maximum is 10 push-ups, aim for a solid 9 in each set. Let's call it the 1 less than your max rule. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 10 push-ups to start. And if 10 push-ups sound challenging right now, no worries. Opt for knee push-ups or another beginner-friendly variation. It's all about growth and progress, not perfection. Remember, it's not about how you start. It's about the journey and where you're headed. For seasoned warriors who have been in the game longer, navigating the push-up world as an intermediate or advanced exerciser is like venturing into deeper waters. Your body has likely packed on a good amount of muscle, and now it's time to challenge it further. You might find your sweet spot in the range of 3 to 4 sets of 15 to 25 push-ups. But on days when you're feeling extra motivated, consider throwing in an AMRAP, as many reps as possible set. Think of it as a surprise party for your muscles to keep them guessing and growing. And for the push-up pros, if regular push-ups feel too easy, it's time to up the ante. Swap out the basics for more challenging variations like weighted push-ups or even clapping push-ups. Turn your workout into a performance. Now, let's structure a push-up program to build muscle. The key is finding the right balance of volume and sets. Aim for high-volume sets that challenge you but don't push you over the edge. Think of your max push-ups, then dial it back by 2 to 3 reps. And for sets, keep it under 5 to 6 to show some love to your joints, your loyal sidekicks in this fitness journey. Remember, push-ups shouldn't hog all the spotlight in your workout routine. Depending on your fitness level and goals, push-ups can be either your rockstar compound exercise or the supporting act to main exercises like the bench press. Always start your workout with high-energy compound exercises and follow up with isolation exercises. As for recovery time, muscles may need up to 48 hours to fully recover from an intense workout. So, structure your push-up days with buffer days in between. For example, you might work on push-ups on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, with rest days on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and the weekend. Now let's talk about nutrition. Just like an epic meal needs the right ingredients, your muscle-building journey relies on the right diet. Without enough protein and a slight calorie surplus, your efforts might not yield the desired results. Aim for about 1 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight and a calorie surplus of 250 to 500 calories. It's not just about training hard, it's also about fueling smart. Lastly, let's address some frequently asked questions. Number 1, the daily push-up dilemma. If you're doing push-ups every day with proper rest in between, you can build muscle. However, doing them without rest may hinder muscle growth. Recovery is essential. Number 2, can push-ups grow your chest? Yes, push-ups can help build your chest muscles, pectoralis major. Pair them with the right diet and program. Number 3, when is the best time to do push-ups? The ideal time varies based on your body's rhythm. Some prefer mornings, while others prefer evenings. It's about finding what works best for you. Also, consider doing push-ups 1 to 2 hours after consuming a carbohydrate-rich meal for optimal performance. That's all for today. Drop a comment below sharing your current push-up record and where you aim to be in a month with our epic routine. And if you've gained any knowledge from this information, hit that like button to show your support. And please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Your support is a strong motivator for us to continue moving forward. Also, if you want to know what are the 20 signs that signifies you have low testosterone, then click here.